Hey guys, welcome. This is how to recover a folder in Outlook. So guys, currently I am in my Outlook on a web browser, and now here I have a folder. So here on your folder, so from here guys, just simply select the three dots over here, and after that you will have an option to delete it, and from here you will just simply select OK. And guys, once you have done that, you have not yet deleted it completely. So in order for you to check it, you should be able to see here delete items. So guys, when you select it only, you don't have the folder. But if you select this small icon pointing to the right side, as you can see, we should be able to see our folder that we just deleted earlier. And of course, to recover it, you could just simply go ahead and select move over here by selecting the three dots on the folder and move it wherever you like, even in inbox, archive, or to a different folder. And just simply select move, and you should be able to recover your folder over here. There you go. See ya.